Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically cancel orders for frequent returners. So you have, for example, you have some customers who order and return the products. So that's what we going to solve it automatically. So we make a Shopify flow for this so you can use the Shopify Flow app from Shopify App Store and you'll be able to create this type of flow workflow automations easily. This video is sponsored by Next Discount, the only Shopify app that lets you cap discounts. Example, offer 10% off but stop the savings at 200 rupees. Next Discount handles it automatically. Protect your profit and run smarter sales. Search Next Discount at the Shopify App Store today. So after installing the app, you'll open the Flow app. Then you can see in Flow app, everything is workflows. You can create a new workflow, import any workflow, or browse the templates what we already have. So I have created the workflow which is naming cancel the orders for frequent buyers. So I'll explain this workflow. So what this does is when any order is created, then check the last 10 orders of that particular customer in last 6 months. So we'll check sort by the customer, get customer order data, and we'll check the customer name, ascending order, and maximum number of 10 orders. Then we'll run a custom query, right? When it's created at, and you can give the month a different 6 months or 2 months. That's your choice. You can use the same query, then you'll be able to create that. Then we'll run a count on that, and using that count, we'll check is the count is greater than or equal to 5, right? Then we'll change the customer, like we'll cancel the order for the customers and send a notification to the customer, refund the stock, and you can do everything what you are needed. And you can give also a staff note, order automatically cancel due to high number of returns. So this is how you can create a workflow or Shopify flow where you can cancel the orders for frequent returners. So if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.